Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by closing Roblox and any related background processes. This frees locked ports and clears temporary hangs. Next, switch to a wired connection if possible because wired is more stable than Wi-Fi. Once done, reboot your router for a quick DHCP refresh. Make sure you have admin access so you can change network settings and note your current IP and DNS values. These details let you restore settings if needed and help diagnose whether the issue is local or ISP related. Now you repair the network stack and DNS because DNS failures commonly break Roblox connections. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons, then ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew to refresh your lease and clear cached entries. Once done, change your DNS to 8, 8, 8, 8 and 8, 8, 4, 4 or 1, 1, 1, 1 to bypass ISP name resolution issues. Make sure to disable VPNs and third-party firewalls temporarily. After each change, try connecting to confirm which fix resolved the issue. Finish by repairing or reinstalling Roblox because corrupted client files can block connections. Uninstall, remove Roblox folders in app data, and reinstall the latest build. Then verify Windows Firewall and your router's firewall allow Roblox Player Beta. EXE and Roblox Studio. EXE outbound and inbound rules. Make sure ports aren't blocked. If problems persist, test on another device or capture network logs with a simple tool to see where packets drop. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.